Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a picture overlay to video on Capcut apps. So in here, I've already imported a video on the main track and I want to add a picture as overlay. So here what you need to do is just click on the overlay button and start selecting or add the picture that you want to. So here I'm going to find one. For example, here I'm going to add maybe this pictures right here. Click on add, and here is the picture. You can adjust the duration how much you want. For example, you want to adjust it for the whole video like this, and here you can also use the splice or blend to make the picture blend into the main video. For example, let's try which one that you think you want to use. Okay, for example, I'm going to use the filter one. Here you can adjust the the size. As you guys can see here, I use the filter mode, so the photo will still visible but not quite so it looks like transparent photo like this. Or you can also use animations on the photo. For example, on the overlay here, let's say I want to add the let's try to add the zoom in like this, so the photo will zoom in like that. You can also use masking on the picture overlay. Let's try to use masking. Okay, the heart shape here, you can adjust the size and also the position in the photo, so the photo will now look like this. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.